Welcome to Top Dog Web Design's videos. In this video, we would like to show you our newly released texting system for all of our types of trials under Top Dog Web Designs. This site that we're using is our base scent work trial, but the same texting features will be available on all the other AKC types of events. We're currently looking at the home page, and this is the admin menu up here at the top. So to look at our texting, we added a new menu heading, which will be on your website. You hover over it. And the first thing we did was create a group of files for different groups of people, individuals that you may be wanting to send text to during the process of holding your AKC scent trials. For example, you may want to send text to your trial committee, and this would allow you to go in and add the members of your committee and their phone numbers, and you'll notice that the number is duplicated here, and this is because this is a testing mode. And so Carla Culbertson, Mary Beth, Mark, and Bruce Dill, whoever that is, and you can add an unlimited number of people for your committee. Then once you have them in there, you can go send a text to all of your committee members. And so this will bring up the screen where you actually enter the text that you want to send out. And so here's a list of previous texts that were sent out, and we just have test data out here. But we'll go enter a new one that's going to go out to our committee. And we might just say in this one, it will come up and ask us what the text is. And here it is, so we will just say, don't forget meeting tonight. So you simply type your text message in and hit submit, and it automatically sends the text to everyone on your committee. So how cool is that? So let's say you wanted to send a text to all of your judges, that we made that a group. And so the template will come up where you can send them a text message. And here are previous messages that have gone out to judges. And so we will click new, and we will pull up the template for adding a new text message. And so we can do that, and you would put in their number and hit submit, and it would send that message out to all of your judges. Now I'll show you another interesting thing that we can do for entrance during the trial process when it's going on. So we're going to go back to the entrance, and we're going to see a list of the text messages that have gone out. And keep in mind that your gate stewards, your ring stewards, they can all have access to this right off their phone. They don't have to have an app or anything. So in this case, they would go bring up the list of texts which have been set out to entrance. So let's say that the interior steward posted this message: interior next up is armband 220. You can actually pull that text message up, and you can change it so that it will allow you to enter a different armband number. So it's bringing it up, and so we might say we got armband 105. And your entrance will also have a list of the run order for every trial by armband number, by classification and element classification. So they would simply change this and then click submit, and it would send the text out. And this eliminates having to double enter some of the information. You can reuse the text to get information to your entrants. And I'm going to show you a list of other examples of how you might use this in the process of managing your trial. So you'll see here the oldest one, interior judging, has begun at 8:05 a.m. So everyone would get that message. Check-ins delayed until 8 a.m. due to rain. All you would do is pull that up, change it as necessary, or in this case it was probably a new one. Here's another one for interior, armband 220. We looked at that. You can notify everyone of lunch breaks, and judging is continuing at 12:30. Things like buried judging is complete. Exterior judging starting at 8:20. You can make these whatever you want them to be, and so this eliminates the need for entrants to have to go check announcements, although you can still use the announcements function, and you can also still use the paw pulse. But you can, in addition, you can send text messages to anyone within a certain category. So it's just that simple, and it's available now. All our future installations for ScentWork will have this function added to it. So we hope you enjoyed this short video on a fabulous addition to our list of functionality efforts for AK-Scent trial work, as well as other types of trials and events. So we thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great day.